Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play horror games in laptop step by step. Start by closing background apps and setting power mode to high performance, then update graphics drivers and game files. Adjust in-game settings like resolution and texture quality to balance visuals and frame rate. Enable headphones for spatial audio and lower ambient lights to enhance immersion. Finally, set save backups and practice pacing to manage jump scares smoothly. In this video, I will show how to play horror games in laptop step by step. Configure audio for positional cues and enable any 3D sound features your drivers offer. Position headphones and test volume so that footsteps and whispers are clear without risking hearing. Turn off room lights and remove distractions to deepen focus. Consider using a small USB DAC or audio interface if laptop output lacks clarity or power for your headset. In this video, I will show how to play horror games in laptop step by step. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes room cleanup effortless and saves time for late-night sessions. Humorously, it won't scream, but it will keep floors snack-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play horror games in laptop step by step. Customize keybinds so flashlight and inventory are within easy reach, and test sensitivity for precise aiming. Choose ergonomic peripherals and a stable surface to prevent accidental slips during tense moments. Keep hydration and take brief breaks every hour to maintain focus and reaction time. Practice sections to learn pacing, and save often to avoid lost progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.